Sí, parce. Alright, so it just started. It's midnight right now.
Las 10:22 de la noche.
It's definitely more active than Envigado, right? Definitely more active than Envigado, that's for sure. Hey, ¿qué más, parceros? Bienvenidos a otro video. Welcome to a new video. It's Christmas time. Llegó la Navidad. It's Christmas time here in Medellin. It's November 30th. Tonight it turns from November to December. And if y'all know this tradition in Medellin called ALBORADA, it's when the entire city of Medellin, all the barrios in Medellin, shoot fireworks at midnight to celebrate, to give the welcome to December. And this is a tradition only here in Medellin. Look at all the houses down there. I'm starting off here in Envigado, but I'm gonna head over to the north. I'm gonna take the metro to go to my friend Mateo's house. Mateo lives way up in the high part of Santo Domingo in a barrio called La Esperanza. Santo Domingo La Esperanza. Man, I love this. Look at those lights over there too. There's a nice view from here too. But in Santo Domingo, where I'm gonna go to now, is much higher up. So you see everything, man. You see the whole entire valley when they shoot fireworks. And shit, it's gonna be a little crazy. Everyone's ready for this event right now. It's a big deal here in Medellin. It has kind of a dark history though. A lot of people think it's just to give the welcome to the holiday season, the season that people love so much here in Colombia, especially here in Medellin. But it actually started in 2003 when the paramilitaries in Medellin demobilized. The paramilitaries were basically like a right-wing narco militia that ruled over all the barrios in Medellin. Their purpose was to kick out the guerrilla, but they eventually became like terrorists, and you know, we're doing horrible things here. But in 2003 they officially demobilized, but to send a message to the people of Medellin, they sent fireworks to all the barrios, to all the hoods in Medellin, and told people to shoot fireworks at midnight to let people know they're doing this because we told them to. So we're still here. We demobilized, we'll put down our guns, but we still here and we still run this place. Feel me? And a lot of people, even from Medellin, don't know that. But before 2003, this tradition did not exist in Medellin. Man, look at how the city twinkles. Everyone puts up their lights. Look over here. So people are already starting to shoot fireworks right now. But at midnight is when this whole entire city lights up. It's really crazy. I've experienced it before, and I've always wanted to make a video about it, so I think it'll be cool to show you. Look. Voy a ir hablando a la cámara para que no me preste atención. Es un video de la noche de Alborada. Sí.
Pero pues no sé, como que no me ha dado como esa impulso.
Pues al inicio es duro porque, bueno, vas a tener pocos seguidores y ahí mientras usted va formando una comunidad. Eso es demorado, eso es de paciencia y de consistencia. Sí. Ayuda. Yo no le he dado suficiente esfuerzo, pero...
No, pero eso es compensación llamarse en cualquier momento.
Voy a ver si este año le meto más.
No, hágale bro de una.
Eso, parcero, ahí se pagó con tarjeta. Listo, Dios lo bendiga. Buenas noches. All right. We're at the Ayura station. And we're about to take the metro. Let's get it. So whenever you want to go north on the metro, you have to go to the side that says Nikia. So when it says hacia Nikia or towards Nikia, you see here it says Nikia. That's how you know you're going north. And I'm literally going from all the way to the bottom of the south to all the way north, like the northernmost part of Medellin, like right before Bello. This is Ayura. And I'm gonna go all the way up here to Acevedo, and this is the metro cable, Santo Domingo, and then I gotta walk my ass to Mateo's house. Sometimes I take a motorcycle. There's like motorcycles there, but they're not always there. But I don't know, I might just walk to feel the vibes in the barrio. Estamos en el metro, el mejor metro de Latinoamérica. Alright, so now I just gotta wait till we get to Acevedo. It's like 15 stations. There's a lot of people on the metro right now. So I'll keep y'all posted. Look, so those lines over there are if you want to sit down, but if you want to get on the metro cable quicker, you go on this side and you stand up. I mean, it moves pretty quickly, but I just get right on. So that's a tip if you're by yourself. You could just go on the standing line. So this is the standing line over here, as opposed to that one. Over here, they're already shooting a lot of fireworks. I can hear it. Alright guys, so we're here at the Santo Domingo station real quick. You see all that line of people up there? They're all waiting to get a motorcycle to go into the barrios that are higher up. So no way I'm waiting on that line. I'm definitely gonna walk up. Man, look at all that mad people, man. Well, let's check it out. This street over here is called Puerto Rico. I don't know why it's called Puerto Rico, but that's what it's called. It's like right next to the metro cable, and there's a lot of stores and bars and it's definitely more active than Envigado, right? Definitely more active than Envigado, that's for sure. Yeah, look at Lexus. Crazy when you see expensive cars like that all the way up here, man. This is like this is really high up. No se cansa subiendo esto. Hágale. Veo que esto va como más rápido. Venga, salude a la cámara, diga algo para el recuerdo. La pena.
Hola.
El recuerdo de Alborada 2024.
2024.
Ajá, perdón. Uy, puta.
Hora es las 10:22 de la noche.
Falta 1 hora y 40 minutos para hacer diciembre.
Y nosotros no vamos a poder pasar la alborada juntos, pero nos vamos a ver más tarde. No, eso que no se debe.
Bueno, vamos. Oye, pero eso siempre cansa subir esto. It's a bit booky around here, fam. You never know who's watching, man. These barrios are some pesados, bro. I can't lie. Look at where I'm at right now, Dolly. Darlington. Yo trabajo esta noche. Barrio para abajo. Sí. Se le estaba cayendo a la pelada, ¿ok? Pero usted tiene mujer. Ah, la... Sí. Para la taxa, es peligroso andar en moto por acá, güey. Cada rato hay accidentes, ¿sí? Sobre todo una noche así, ¿no? Gente borracha. Para la cancha Carambola. ¿Sabes cuál es? Yo no conozco esta parte. Usted tampoco, ¿cierto?
Yo fui de la colocación acá. Y no sé cómo lo llevo.
Cierto.
¿No sabes cómo manejar borrachos?
Sí, parce. Alright, so it just started. It's midnight right now. Voy a estar hablando en inglés. Midnight. Man, this vlog kind of fell apart, man. I smoked with that shorty. I smoked with Veronica. And no, when I smoke, I don't feel like vlogging at all. Parce, entonces se queda ahí conmigo viéndolo, ¿o qué? ¿O se va?
No, yo lo espero ahí un momentico. La idea es que lo vea un momentico ahí. ¿Usted quiere volver a subir? ¿O quiere acostar a relajarse?
Sí, yo creo que me voy para la casa.
Pero no para su casa, para la mía.
Pues sí. O sea, pues para ver, pues...
Suba. Se va a parquear.
A la Alborada, llegamos justo a tiempo. ¿Ah?
Todo bien. Estoy pasando aquí porque estoy bien. Somos señores.
Guys, I'm definitely failed filming the vlog tonight. I don't even know if I'm gonna post this. feel like if I even did make a video out of the clips that I have, it would just be, I don't know, maybe I will. Just so y'all could get a little glimpse at least of what it was like. But yeah, I'm sorry, man. Like, it's just really hard to stay focused when I met up with my boy. I hung out with this girl. We drank a little bit, smoked a little bit. Just being real with y'all. I'm not gonna, lie to y'all about what I did. But yeah, it's my friend's room. He stayed out drinking, and it literally sounds like the music is right in my ear. Like the neighbors have the speaker on full blast. But it's all good, man. We in the barrio. There's no rules here. So I'm about to just turn off the lights, hit the hay, and I'm gonna talk with y'all, alright? I'm gonna talk with y'all in the morning. Uy, parce, desde acá se ve una vista muy chimba. The view from here is so beautiful. You can see the whole valley all the way to the south. Only that hill over there with that barrio blocks Bello. But you could even see still this part of Bello. Man, so when I come here, it's always hard to vlog because there's so many distractions. Because usually when I come here, I drink. I hang out with a lot of people. Sometimes there's loud music. So it's not easy to vlog here for sure. And I knew it was gonna happen, but I wanted to try anyway. So I'm gonna see if I can make a cool little video for y'all with the clips that I have, feel me? It's the next day. As y'all can see, the sun is setting. It's like 5:30 p.m. and people are still shooting fireworks. I don't know if y'all can hear it. Yeah, people are still shooting fireworks. And man, the views from here are incredible, for real. I was fortunate that Mateo's friend, the bar is actually right over there. We're just a few houses down right now, where I was last night. And look, there you can see the metro cable that goes up to Parque Arbi. And down there is the Santo Domingo metro cable. It takes like 15 minutes to walk from there to here where I am right now. This barrio is called La Esperanza. The Santo Domingo is like it's like an area that's divided into different barrios. So this part is La Esperanza, and there's Carambolas, por allá, Carpinelo. And then over there, if you like keep going more north on this side of the hill, it turns into Bello. And those barrios that belong to Bello are like more dangerous. Like there's more violence that goes on there more often than on this side in Santo Domingo. Man, I hope y'all enjoyed that video though, for real. I really hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all were entertained at least. And one thing I wanted to mention before this video ends. Alborada, it's a controversial event. A lot of people hate it because obviously their dogs and their cats get really scared. But also, like, since the entire city is shooting fireworks at the same time, it contaminates the air. The whole air during Alborada smells like, that smoke from fireworks, like that burnt smell. People are still shooting fireworks, man. The whole month of December, there's fireworks every night, especially in the barrios. But yeah, so a lot of people also say that, you see Medellin is surrounded by mountains and there's forests up here. It also disturbs the wildlife. There's a lot of wildlife. There's ocelots, there's all types of birds, and I don't know, there's a lot of wildlife here, and it obviously disturbs them. So not everyone's in agreement with it, but it's a tradition from 2003, from the paramilitaries when they demobilized. And yeah, like I said in the beginning of the video, a lot of people think it's just to welcome December, but it's really came from that. You can see Bello, over there's Castilla, Picacho, 12 de octubre, Robledo, es como por allá, la Comuna 13, el centro. Por allá se ve Envigado, todo eso, el aeropuerto La Yarrera. Anyways, guys, we'll see if this video makes it. If it does, I hope y'all enjoyed it. I hope y'all found it interesting. And I'm gonna catch y'all in the next one.